This short guide explains how to buy shares of ARB IoT Group Ltd. ARB IoT is an industrial IoT company listed on NASDAQ as ARBB, and this video is educational content, not financial advice. To buy ARBB, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will verify your account with an ID and add funds to place trades. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker ARBB to find the company. Select the listing that shows ARB IoT Group Ltd. To ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, review the company overview and the price chart to confirm this is ARB IoT Group Ltd. Check the exchange shows NASDAQ and the ticker reads ARBB before proceeding. Click Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to spend, then carefully review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may execute when trading reopens, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio for tracking. A link to eToro is available in the description if you want to learn more about the platform.